Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Black Shark T2 with any Android device. In this case I'm using Android phone. So to do this, first of all we have to remember to charge our earbuds inside and also charging case at least to the 50%. Next we can open this charging case, and now we have to wait until these indicators stop blinking. Okay, and right now you have to keep that case open and open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, on your device actually. Select to pair new device and take a look for available devices list. We can find our Black Shark Lucifer T2. So click on them once, accept pairing request. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, so we can take them off and use left and the right earbud together. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.